How to create your own hashtag on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to create your own hashtag on Instagram. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. So to do that, you just simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and then search for Instagram and make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. Once you have done updating your Instagram app, then now you may open it. And in order for you to create your own hashtag, what you're going to do is to post a picture or a video or a reel. So go ahead and press on this plus button found on the upper right of your screen and make sure to choose a post or a picture or video that you want. For example, I will choose this one. Then go ahead and click on Next found on the upper right corner and then click on Next once again. And right here under the Write a Caption, so make sure to click on it, go to your symbols, and then look for this hashtag or number symbol. So go ahead and click on that hashtag and type in the hashtag that you want. So you may type in your name or whichever you want to. For example, I'll just type in hello. Click on OK on the upper right corner and then click on share or post found on the lower right corner of your screen. So again, you need to post a picture or video or a reel, and under the caption, make sure to type in the hashtag that you want. So now whenever you search for your specific hashtag, you may be able to see it on your explore page or your search page. So that's it. That's how you can create your own hashtag on Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.